Hey, this is Mrs. Hunter. Let's take a look at sample problem D. Now we're looking at dilution problems. So in a dilution problem, you are already starting with a solution that's at a higher concentration, and we're making a solution at a lower concentration. So let's see what they're asking in this problem. What volume in milliliters, okay, so we are looking for volume in milliliters of a 2 molar calcium chloride stock solution. And stock solution just means the more concentrated solution that you're going to add water to dilute. So what volume of this stock solution would you use to make 0.5 liters of 0.3 molar calcium chloride solution? Okay, so if we're doing a dilution, we can always use the formula M1V1 equals M2V2. So the M1V1 are always going to be our stock solution or our more concentrated. So for our more concentrated, we are trying to find the volume. We know the molarity. And we're trying to make this diluted solution, and we know the molarity that we want, and we know how much we want. So let's plug these variables in. So M1 is 2 molar. V1 is our unknown. This is equal to M2, which is 0.3 molar, times V2, which is 0.5 liters. So now, in order to get V1, we divide by 2 molar, and if I do that to one side, I do it to the other. And let's go ahead and plug this into our calculator. Okay, so 0.3 times 0.5 divided by 2 gives me 0.075. Now, we want the volume in milliliters. So take a look at these units. Molarity divides by molarity, so that cancels. You're left in liters. Again, we want milliliters, so we can just do a simple conversion. And this is always why we pay attention to our units. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So that is going to give us 75 milliliters. So that is how much of our concentrated solution we're going to need to dilute in order to make half a liter of 0.3 molar calcium chloride.